I want to welcome everyone to today's session. Okay, today we're talking about Chapter 15, Job Order Cost and Analysis. First one says, which of the following is the correct formula to compute a predetermined overhead rate? Well, remember, this is predetermined, they're going to be estimated. So, numerator is going to be estimating your manufacturing overhead. So, we know it's not going to be answer C or answer A. Because predetermined, you want to divide by how many estimated units you plan to have in your allocation base. Okay, so it's going to be answer B. So the job order cost system, the amount of overhead cost has been applied to a job that remains incomplete. It means you start it, except not yet complete. Well, that describes it as part of any balance for work in process inventory. Because like it says there, work in process inventory. It means that you started the job, except for whatever reason, you have not yet completed it. Okay, now let's go to number 3. Okay, it says here the following information. Following data has been recorded for job 501. Direct materials cost $3,067, 30 labor hours, 104 machine hours. The direct labor wage rate is $12. Manufacturing overhead based on machine hours. Predetermined overhead rate is $11 per machine hour. Okay, well, the first thing you got to calculate is what is your applied manufacturing overhead. Okay, remember to get that, take your predetermined overhead rate, which is $11. Okay, and multiply by how many machine hours, which is 104 machine hours. Okay, so when you do that, that'll be $1,144 for applied manufacturing overhead. The next thing you want to calculate is what is the total cost. Okay, well, again, to start total cost is you want to start the direct materials, which was $3,067. Then you want to add the direct labor, which is 30 direct labor hours, again, multiplied by the $12. And the last thing you want to add is what we just calculated, the applied manufacturing overhead, which is $1,144. And we add those three up, the total will be $4,571. Yeah, next one now, number 4. It says here, Paul's company's predetermined rate based on machine hours to apply manufacturing overhead job comes provide the following. Estimated 40,000 direct labor hours and 20,000 machine hours. Predetermined overhead rate will be, well, to get the predetermined overhead rate, first thing you got to do is calculate total manufacturing overhead. Okay, so out of all these costs, not all of them is going to go to your manufacturing overhead. The first one will go is rent on factory building, okay, which is $13,500. The other one goes on there is depreciation of factory equipment, which is $6,500. Also, another one that goes in there is indirect materials, which is $10,000. Okay, the last one will be insurance on factory equipment, okay, which is $12,000. Now, when you add these up, your total manufacturing overhead will be $42,000. Okay, again, now we're able to calculate the predetermined overhead rate. Okay, to get that now, again, take the $42,000 and divide by the 20,000 machine hours. Okay. Now, when you do that, that'll give you $2.10 per machine hour. That'll be answer B. So now, number 5 says Hemming uses a job order cost system which any underapplied overapplied overhead is called the cost of goods sold. Cost of manufacture was $114,000. Beginning finished goods was $31,000. Any finished goods $35,000. Manufacturing overhead was under applied by $5,000. You got to determine the cost of goods sold. So to determine the cost of goods sold here, you want to use the indirect method to determine cost of goods sold. So we want to start with the beginning finished goods inventory, which is $31,000. Then you want to add the cost of goods manufactured, which is $114,000. Okay, now when we do that, this will give you goods available for sale. $145,000. Okay, now the next part, you want to deduct ending finished goods inventory, which is $35,000. Okay, now the first thing now that when we do this, this will calculate the unadjusted cost of goods sold, which is $110,000. Okay, now because it's under applied overhead, you want to add. So you want to add under applied overhead. So it's $5,000. Now, when we do this, now we finally can calculate the cost of goods sold, which would be $115,000. Okay, now it's the next one now. It says job 827 was completed. Following data recorded on the job cost sheet. The daily labor hours are, direct materials are, pre-number is $13. Compute the unit product cost on the job cost sheet. Well, to get the unit product costs are the first thing. First thing we need is the direct materials, okay, which is given to us at $61,050. The next thing we need is our direct labor. Now remember, that's $14 per direct labor hour. Okay, and again, multiply by how many direct labor hours there are, which is 1,332. Okay, so again, we multiply those together, that'll be 18,648. Okay. And then, next thing you want to add is the manufacturing overhead, okay, which is $13 per machine hour multiplied by 1,480 machine hours. Okay, so again, add all these up now. That'll be 19,240. Again, we add them up. Now we can get the total cost. Which is $98,938. Now to get the unit product cost, take the $98,938 and divide by how many units, which is 3,700. Okay, so when we do that, the unit product cost now will be $26.74. Okay, let's go next one now. So some companies use process cost and job work costing. The method depends on the industry. It's below. And process costing is when you do just all the same product. They're all just the same, one size fits all. Okay. Job order is for specific jobs. Let's go over each one. A custom boat builder. Well, again, if it's custom boat builder, it has to be job order costing. Remember, like it says there, it's custom made. There's a frozen cranberry juice processor. Well, that's process costing. There, it doesn't matter which one you get. They're all the same. It says, one size fits all. Next part, concrete block manufacturing. That's also process costing because, again, they're all done the same way. They're all the same method. So why produce a number of varietal wines? That's me job order because, again, those can be specific. Which wines you want. Okay. The last one, refine aluminum. Refiner that makes aluminum ingots from Buxton ore. Okay. That's also me process costing because, again, it's a process that's the same everywhere no matter where you go. So now, number 8. Culver Corporation uses a predetermined rate based on machine hours to apply manufacturing overhead jobs. When the following gets Carver's estimated total manufacturing overhead cost $300,000, total machine hours 75,000 hours. Actual results for the period were manufacturing overhead costs of 290,000, 76,000 machine hours. The result, Culver would have to. Well, let's take a look here. What you want to do is compare the predetermined overhead rate with the manufacturing overhead rate applied. Okay, so that's the first part. What is the predetermined overhead rate? Okay, again, to get that, take the 300,000 and divide by the 75,000 machine hours. Okay. When you do that, That will give me $4 per machine hour. Now the next thing you want to calculate is what is the manufacturing overhead applied. Okay, that'll be 76,000 machine hours. Okay, multiplied by the $4 per machine hour. Okay, so we do that. That'll be 304,000. So see the difference there, $4,000. So what happened was, it's going to be answer A. You applied more overhead to jobs than the actual amount of overhead. Okay. All right, let's take a look here. So mower is a job where cost in which any underapplied, overapplied overhead is closed out cost of goods sold. During cost of manufacture was $26,000. Machine overhead was underapplied by $5,000. Beginning finished goods are $31,000. Ending finished goods was $35,000. The end is cost of goods sold. Otherwise, cost of goods sold before adjusting is closest to. Well, let's calculate this too. Kind of like we did earlier. But now we're going to stop. We just want the unadjusted cost of goods sold. So again, start with the beginning finished goods inventory, which is $31,000. Add the cost of goods manufactured, which is $126,000. Okay, when we do this, that's the goods available for sale, which is $157,000. Okay. Next part, you want to deduct the ending finished goods inventory, which is $35,000. Okay, then you can stop here at this time. This will give you your unadjusted cost of goods sold, which is $122,000. So it's going to be answer D. Okay, class. Hope everyone's doing well. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, always feel free to contact me. Okay? Everyone.